To initiate the Claimzen service, a user must complete our intake form. The 3-page document can be downloaded, printed, and completed by hand, or it can be completed directly online. Our questionnaire only asks for the information we need to start our process. Having a short form means that during your intake, you can spend less time collecting information and more time getting to know your clients. Once a new case is entered, our system generates a signature request email. Attached to the email are a selection of documents that we need signed by your client to provide our service. Once the signatures are recorded, a second email is generated. In this email, your client is asked to select a day and a time that they're available to participate in a 1-hour phone interview with a Claimzen employee. Prior to the phone interview, Claimzen automatically pulls due diligence reports on your client and the other party and generates a police report request letter to obtain information about the collision. During the interview, we ask your client 60 questions about their personal history, the collision, their injuries, and treatment. After the interview, our system generates another set of information request letters, including letters of rep to the first and third-party insurance carriers. Once we receive the requested information, we scan and upload the documents to the case. At the end of the interview, your client is instructed to download the Claimzen mobile app so he or she can easily document the physical, emotional, and financial impacts of their injuries. Information provided through the app is uploaded directly to the client's case record. Once your client completes treatment, you can review the case, determine which employers and treatment providers you would like to order records from, press a button, and place your order for the records. Employment and wage records requests are included in the Claimzen fee. Medical record requests, however, cost $48 per billing source and are facilitated by our medical record retrieval partner, Chart Squad. The only other task that you are responsible for is opening the mail each day, uploading documents related to your cases, and inputting the names of any new adjusters or treatment providers. When the time is right, you are free to draft your demand letter. All the data, documents, and reports you need are online and ready to go. The benefits of the Claimzen system are significant because the amount of work that you and your clients need to complete to prepare each case is reduced to 4 hours and 8 hours respectively. That's because Claimzen is completing 85 hours of work for you. As the operational engine of your law firm, Claimzen will streamline your process and increase your capacity to grow. Sign up today. Registration and your first case are free.